lettuce, 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 lettuce.
Yeah. Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beat beef?
Lettuce.
Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up and point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now when beep beep.
Lettuce, 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 lettuce.
You got to beep beep.
Lettuce,
Say beep beep.
lettuce,
Beep beep. You got to beep beep.
lettuce,
Say beep beep.
lettuce.
Yeah. So, you know how to beat beef?
Lettuce.
I see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. Go crazy now, now, now.
Shutters,
Oh,
shutters, 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 shutters,
yeah.
shutters, 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 shutters.
Beep beep. You got to beep beep.
Lettuce,
Say beep beep.
lettuce,
Beep beep. You got to beep beep.
lettuce,
Say beep beep.
lettuce.